Hello. Yeah, I can hear you. Good afternoon. How are you? Which part are you in India? Pardon? No, it is not an interview. I want to know if you don't want to disclose your state or then it's okay. No issue. Okay, I asked so many questions. Where are you from? What do you do? That is right. Okay, it's okay. Then tell me. Pardon? I'm good, thanks for asking. What about you? I think are you in workplace? Then how you speak slowly? You speak loudly. Okay, okay, no issue. So then did you finish your lunch? Pardon? I also had my lunch and right now I'm talking with you. Mm-hmm. I don't do anything. I'm super duper unemployed. बेकार हूँ. Why you are at office, you are working, you have a handsome salary, then why you feel bored? Tell me. Because I think are you working in banking sector? Maybe I think you have a that kind of I card. I think so on your profile. Is it? Mm-hmm. Right, right, right. Because bankers they always put their I card, right? No, other sector also people they apply their banking their departmental card, but not that much apart from banking, right? Banking they follow their rule regulation. All type of bank, private or nationalized bank, they have a I card. Then we recognize the working in that banking, right? State Bank have a different I card. Punjab National Bank have different I card. Maximum state bank or private bank people they wear employees they wear that kind of ICICI Bank, SDFC Bank, right? They have a I card, I think. Right, right. Okay. Then which department you are working? Tell me. Government? Oh my goodness. Okay. Then you are a software engineer, right? Then right now you replied as a interviewer, right? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Then right now you replied that type of right. Okay. Are you HR? Okay. Then I think you are from not a Karnataka and I think so. You are from different state and you are working in there. Am I right? You are not from South part. Oh, your mode of talking because your tone is a different from South part people. If we talk with them, then we can know about their, you can say their MTA mother tongue influence or their language little bit different. I am okay. You don't tell your introduction and you चालाकी से मेरे introduction पूछ रहे हैं. अच्छा. I am from East. Mhm. Yeah, I'm not a Hindi speaker. That's why I am from Odisha. Hmm. It is a east part of Odisha. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay, you are from my neighbor state, right? But you speak, I think your tone not like similar to South part people. You speak like a northern part people in English. Mm-hmm. Hmm. I think you speak Hindi or what's your mother tongue? Telugu or Tamil? Okay. Okay, then you can't understand Hindi? Okay. Okay, but English is not like a South part people. You speak differently.